Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel where you will enjoy watching me making beautiful and different DIYs for home decoration. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and remember the notification bell. You will notify when I upload a new video. In today's video I am using wood because it's another month for What Wood You Make collaboration, hosted by Sarah from OK at Home DIY channel and Connie from Connie's Great Creations channel. Also this month we have a guest host David from David Owen Creates channel. All these crafters are amazing. You can check out their channels linked in my description box below, as well as the playlist where you will see different crafters creating fabulous decoration using wood. So don't forget to check out all these channels for inspiration. Now let's get crafting and start with the first DIY. For this project I need 4 paint sticks from 5-gallon paint sticks, I mean the long one, and 10 paint sticks from 1-gallon paint sticks, I mean the small one. So right now I'm gonna stain all these sticks using the home decor wax. You can use any antique wax with baby wipe. I just went straight and wipe all and cover all the sticks. Between 2 long sticks I put hot glue and wood glue. And I need other 10 paint sticks. I put them between the long sticks. For this project I'm making a piece of decoration to hold my calendar. Let's see how it's gonna look like. I'm gluing each stick in the back using my wood glue and hot glue by keeping the same gap between all the sticks. Also I need these drawers that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm staining them with other 2 crates that I got from Dollar Tree too, using my home decor wax and baby wipe. Drying these pieces. I have this cute home sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I painted with white apple barrel paint all around and inside this sign and dry it. I'm adding my favorite napkin. For this one I removed 2 layers. I am applying a good coat of Mod Podge on this sign before adding my napkin. Now I'm adding this beautiful napkin on the top of this home sign. More Mod Podge on the top of the napkin to make sure that sticks very well on this piece. I'm cutting all the excess of this napkin. And I'm using this lighter. It's easy and faster technique for decoupage. I think most of crafters know this technique for decoupage. I learned it from other crafters too. After that I'm using this nail file to sand out all edges and all around to make it neat. I'm adding this napkin again to cover my wood pieces, I mean the 2 crates and 2 drawers. And the easy way to remove the layers from the napkin is to put a little bit of Mod Podge on the fingers, touching the corner of the napkin, then the layers remove by themselves. Adding more Mod Podge on the top of the napkin. Of course I put some Mod Podge on the crate before adding this napkin. Cut the excess all around. I'm covering the drawers too with this napkin using my Mod Podge and adding Mod Podge on the top of napkins to seal all these pieces. Then I'm gonna add all these wood pieces into my project, adding more details like this lace ribbon, add it around these crates and these boxes. I'm adding this ribbon. I'm gluing this home sign on the top and the two drawers in each side and the two crates in the bottom. Adding some floral foam to add beautiful roses and daisies inside these boxes. I'm wiping my wood with this clear wax for wood to protect this piece and gives a beautiful polish finish too. I'm adding this beautiful calendar to see how this holder looks like, and that's it. And I absolutely love this piece. I would love to see your comments and let me know what you think about this project. I love how you can customize this piece of decoration and how you can switch up the calendar image with changing month and seasons. So you can switch the design of these crates with flowers and decoration that match the colors of each season. And this is my piece of decoration without calendar. We can add other pieces too to hold it, like frame or any project like that fits. And let's jump to the second DIY. This project I have these giant craft sticks from Walmart, this wooden snake from Dollar Tree, and this canvas frame from Dollar Tree too. I remove this canvas from this frame using my X-Acto knife, and I'm sanding down this frame, stain it with my home decor stain all around the edges, all around this frame. Wipe it out with my baby wipe. Then I'm adding one coat of white chalk paint, dry it, sand it down again to distress this frame and give a rustic look. Now I'm lining up these sticks to check how many sticks I need to cover the back of this frame, and stain all these sticks with my home decor wax. Then with my hot glue I'm gonna glue all these giant sticks together using other sticks in the back. It looks great as background for this frame. And I see that I need another coat of white chalk paint. Then distress these sticks with white chalk paint, dry it, sand it down just to make it look like it has been around forever. I have this wooden snake that I got from Dollar Tree, cut the tail and the head. It's easy to cut with my X-Acto knife to make a small wreath. I have this metal welcome sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I paint it with the apple barrel black paint, and right away when it's still wet I sprinkle with this glitter so it can be mixed into paint to give a brighter and shiny look. I have this transfers to add them on my project. Wrap every leaf very well with a little bit of pressure to transfer these pictures on this project, and rubbing with a scraper or any stick. I am making sure that all these leaves are on the surface. With this burlap ribbon I'm holding this wreath on the top, adding some greenery on this wreath, more details, adding this bow with this ribbon. I'm adding a knob drawer to decorate this bow. And maintenant, voila, the final look. What do you think, everyone? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching my video, for all your likes, your comments, and don't forget to check out the playlist link in my description box below. See you soon and take care. Bye everyone.